Today, we've got an exciting development in space exploration to share with you. Once again, NASA and Boeing's joint project, the CST-100 Starliner, has seen its first crewed flight delayed. And why? You might ask. They're working on resolving a helium leak in the spacecraft's propulsion system. In an announcement late on May 17th, NASA revealed that the crew flight test, CFT mission, previously set for May 21st, has been pushed back to no earlier than May 25th at 3:09 p.m. Eastern Time, as they continue work on addressing a leak in a helium pressurization system on board the spacecraft. Just 3 days after the previous delay, NASA and Boeing announced they were postponing the launch scheduled for May 17th to address a helium leak in a thruster in the spacecraft's service module. The leak was traced to a flange in one thruster, and Boeing has been working to better understand the leak and prepare the system for flight without replacing the flange. In the announcement of the new delay, NASA stated, pressure testing performed on May 15th on the spacecraft's helium system showed the leak in the flange is stable and would not pose a risk at that level during the flight. They added, Boeing teams are working to develop operational procedures to ensure the system retains sufficient performance capability and appropriate redundancy during the flight. NASA also mentioned that both its commercial crew and International Space Station programs will take the next several days to review the data and procedures before proceeding to the flight countdown. This announcement followed several hours of speculation regarding another delay for the mission. The CST-100 Starliner project has faced years of setbacks due to various technical issues, ranging from valves to parachutes. Boeing has provided limited additional detail about the helium leak and did not respond to earlier inquiries about it. According to industry sources, the leak was detected during the countdown on May 6th, which was scrubbed due to an unrelated valve issue with the Atlas V Centaur upper stage. It remains unclear if, under normal circumstances, the launch could have proceeded. During a briefing after the May 6th scrub, Mark Nappy, the Boeing vice president who oversees the Starliner program, did not mention the helium leak or any other issues with the spacecraft. He stated, "Today was a good dry run for the entire process," highlighting that preparations were going smoothly until the launch was scrubbed about 2 hours before the scheduled liftoff. "We were ahead of schedule, about 45 minutes ahead of schedule, so the teams did an excellent job. A lot of things have to go right. It's not the majority of the things. Everything has to go right before we launch," he emphasized.